kami. The birthday girl. Ocean Villas. So, yeah. Try namin ang check namin yung unit namin dito. Kung nandito pa, tagal na kasi namin pinapabayaan. So, yun lang. Saktong ano lang. Chill lang with aming try namin ulit. Gimmick, yan nando sila sa likod. There. Ilang minutes ba? Yung sa ano? Kay Subic, kaya na 500 meters Casa del Mar, Puerto Azul Country Club. Dito tayo sa may kay Subic, guys.
Casa del Mar ba yung ano? Yung walang light? Walang overnight?
Yata. Saan ang kay Subic? Diretso ba? Ayan sa baba.
Ano isa?
Paniman.
Vista del Oro?
Ayan sa baba pa yung araw eh. Ano, kay Subic. Doon nga. Dito.
Altamira, Restaurant.
Tayo. Clubhouse. Ayan. Palikpikan Beach. Hole number 10. Golfer only. Golfer only. Kay Subic Hotel, ayan na. Kay Subic Beach Hotel. Ha? Ay. Kay Subic. Ayan. Kay Subic, sir. Doon. Kay Subic. Baka pwede na tayo. 4,000.
Gusto ko yung malapit sa akin.
Wala na liligo mo. Tayo na. Tsaka yung mga room parang abandoned na.
Dapat ano lang lang dito, kahit lang.
Sobra ka naman. Yan pala, may restaurant dito. Bawal pumasok ang basa. Yan. Kay Subic Beach Resort. Registration here. Registration here.
Sige po, register na.
Register muna.
Later po kayo, sir. Overnight.
Overnight po.
Yan, overnight. Ding, kwarto. Ba't ako mabigyan, ma'am?
Maganda to pag may ballpen eh. Ito ba?
1.5. Ilan po kayo, sir?
Dalawang, apat. Bali. Sa amin dalawang anak ko.
Hindi mo ba inumin yan pa? Mag-inom tayo eh. Ito naman sinipa pala gusto mo. O, teka, kailan ka naging kapatid?
Wala. Wag na si Minpa kasi may asawa na, si Tinor na lang.
May asawa na ako ah.
Masisira ang buhay mo sa akin.
Ba, mas masisira ang buhay mo sa akin.
Pag ako'y...
Kaya ko yung pambayad, dalawa na ha. Sasampa rin, pupunta kita dyan. Gagasahin kita.
Ang day tour dito hanggang ano oras?
Hanggang 5 po. Day tour lang po kayo, sir.
Hindi po.
Overnight?
na sila, Inday.
Asa man sila?
So, 8 na lang.
Naka,
Yung malapit po.
hindi po kayo nakabook.
Opo, malapit naman po yung sa swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Ano, ayun, bali tatlong, ilang taon na po yung, kaya sila,
Ano, 15 tsaka 10.
Uy, 10 lang. Ano, maulan?
15 tsaka 10.
Bali, 4 lo.
1.5 na lang.
Oh, 2,105 na lang.
Ano naman?
Magkano eh?
Number po ng
4-5 po. Wala na po entrance yun, sir. Wala na po kayo portage.
Magkano yung room, bali?
4,000.
Ano eh, may additional?
2 to 3 person.
Wala
Okay.
pong entrance yun.
Extra person 500, kaya po 4,500.
Mauna muna ako dito sa aking,
Okay. May restaurant ba kayo makakainan dito?
Sibo daw.
May makakainan dito?
Ayan po, sir, ang restaurant.
Ano?
Yan, palagi open.
Opo.
Pwedeng kumain na ngayon. Gutom na ako. Ayun. Register. 4-5. Aircon yun, di ba?
Meron din po.
Alright. Cool. Tuwan-tuwa yung bata, oh. Ikaw susuway. What's up? Ha? Tapos ka na ano? Wala nang ano eh. Yan lang ang ano nila eh.
Ano po, Robin na lang.
Yan, dito kami sa may Kaisubic Beach Resort. So,
Kanina, walang...
alright. Kami kinuha. Okay. Kami sa may pool area. Dyan po. Sige, salamat. $215.
Wala ba dito din lumangon sa beach? Ah, wala rin lumangon sa beach. Let's go.
Diyan si mami sa ano? Sa tapat ng aircon. Yung lugar lang talaga. Alright, so here is our overnight escapade at one of Puerto Azul's club's charming resorts. Getting there, we kick off on a journey from Bacoor City, and the road led us to Puerto Azul Club. It's a hidden gem in Ternate, just an hour and a half or 2 hours, depends on traffic, of course. Now, let's be real, the Tanza town proper, excuse me, but it's notorious for its traffic. So, buckle up, get ready, bring your favorite playlist. So, get arrival and check-ins as we rolled into Kaisubik. Our excitement grew. We registered at the front desk, and yep, our cozy room awaits. And we snug a good for 2 to 3 folks with an extra hits just for 500 pesos. So the beach, the resort boasts a pool where kiddos can splash and play. And at the beach, it's a cove area, surrounded. So which means gentle waves and fine sands. Now here's the twist. We visited this during the typhoon, so those waves were doing a little kind of dance. So, room review. Our room, well, it's like that comfy old sweater you can't part with. It's seen better days, but still wraps you warmth. A bit of TLC or tender loving care wouldn't hurt though. So we snagged it for 22 hours at 4,500 pesos. It's a fair deal considering a live band serenading you. I think it's every weekend that they have it. So for foodies, foodie finds. So the mini resto serves up a Filipino cuisine. So expect a hearty meals ranging from 250 to 300 pesos per plate. Now, don't set your expectations sky high. Think comfort food vibes. All right. So the verdict overall, we had a blast. Sure, it's not a 5-star luxury resort, but the sea breeze, the laughter, and that live band, it all added up to a memorable stay. So if you are up for a laid-back adventure, Puerto Azul Club awaits. So pack your swimsuits, leave your high expectations at home, and dive in. So stay salty and keep exploring. Ito ang aming kwarto. Ang problema, pag umuulan, may tulo doon. Yun lang, napabayaan lang tong Puerto Azul. Tong Kaisubik Resort. Pero okay naman, maganda ang buhangin sa Kaisubik, in fairness. Agad, maganda kasi malalim agad yung malapit lang eh. Hindi katulad ng iba, ang haba-haba na ng pinupuntahan mo. Pagod ka na, ang babaw pa.